Hey everyone, it's me, Riley Amtrak. Today we're going to be doing some model rail fanning today at the Museum of Science of Industry. So let's go ahead, we're going to walk around here. Got the model trains right here. And look what we found. We found a heritage unit. Right on the train layout. And we got a BNSF SD70 ACE following John Deere. And that's odd. And you got an Illinois Terminal Heritage unit right there. Excuse me. Sorry. So we're gonna give Amtrak coaches. We got the Superliner coaches, a Amfleet Bud coach, a Amtrak GE Genesis P42. Can't tell what number that is. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go over here. It's the CTA train.
It's not going by yet.
Track. We're gonna wait. I hear it. There's one right there, folks. Mom? Oh, hang on. And we got some Union Pacific freight trains right here, hauling an intermodal, and with an ace on the back. I wonder why the Amtrak's not running. Oh, we got a Metro in there. You can't see it, but when I go around the corner, y'all will be able to see it. And look, they have an Amtrak coming over here. Gonna get a good look at it, and look at that, it's an F40. Yes! We got the Harbor locomotive, two locomotives, the Amtrak. Try and zoom in for y'all so you can see this. There it is, the Amtrak Coast Starlight Superliner. That is pretty cool. And with the baggage car on the rear. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go pause the video and we're gonna go view the other side. So yeah. Alright, we also have a Christmas train going by being pulled by two SD70 Aces hauling Christmas decorations, and there's a perfect other view of the Amtrak Coast Starlight Superliner. So yeah, we haven't gone on the other side yet, so we're gonna go ahead and go on the other side. It's like a small town here. Seems the steam engine ain't running. That's strange. Got some Santa Fe coaches. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, we got a train coming through here. Oh look, it's a race. It's a race. Come on Amtrak, speed up, beat the BNSF. Come on, you can do it. Hey, it's working. Woo! Coming around the corner here, the bridge.
That one's way faster than Amtrak train.
Yeah, right there it's being hauled by an F40 PH. Metro uses those today as well. Alright, there it goes. I'm gonna zoom out, we're gonna follow it. Or I'm gonna just wait right here. Intermodal, it's another meet right there. And, sorry. And there's railroads around the world. Going over the bridge, going through the signal. Alright, so I'm going to pause this and, whoa, look at that, it's running backwards. But I'm going to pause this so you all can go out and see the other side. Alright, so right now we're right outside of this Washington City layout. We got to, hang on, wait for it to focus. There we go. It's an Amtrak switcher, the Coast Starlight cars. Oh jeez.
That would be a cool place to ever go.
So I'm gonna wait my turn to see if I can blow the horn with this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can blow a shave and a haircut on it. Yeah, I'm gonna operate the crane. So we're gonna watch it go. Probably can't see it. It's moving. I am only using one hand, so let me.
Oh, there it goes.
And yep. Alright, so I'm gonna go over here now. There's a train entering through the crossing. That's the one we already saw earlier. That's weird, that railroad crossing down there just shut off. Get a little bit of a closer view. Got some trucks over there. Now, I wonder if my train layout will ever look like this, so keep walking around here. Got fire alarm panels over there for the fire alarm. And the tree just went down. So yeah, we're going over here. I don't see any trains going through the tunnel. It's gonna be a green signal for a while. Yeah, I saw it.
I like it when they turn night and day.
I know, that's pretty cool. Hey, oh my gosh, I found a BNSF switcher.
You did?
Yep, that's a switcher engine. Oh, sorry, I found a BNSF switch engine. It's 3452, and we got the two aces coming through. 9343 and 9388. Ooh, it's a mixed freight train with the ace on the back with a K5HL. And whoa, look at you, look at that. I found a diesel streamliner and an SD40 over there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and walk in here. I'm gonna pause the video again. Alright, now we're on the other side, so we're back in the Chicago area. So I figure I'll just come back over here just because I'm gonna see if I can get the metro to stop. But this is actually a pretty cool area. So see, you got your two aces, another ace on the back, and it's gonna be a meet. And that's pretty cool right there. You see, we got a Amtrak switcher, I don't know what that is, but in BNSF caboose. Another one with the ace on the back. Oh look, we got the metro coming in. And it has the old metro cab cars and Pullman coaches. So, oh, they're gonna be coming around. Metro's gonna stop. I was right, it stopped. It's gonna pick up the passengers. Okay, that's stopping. Oh yeah, because it's a red signal. Has to wait for the other train to go by. I wonder where that train that's heading. Alright, no one has... Alright, so someone just left. So I'm gonna go ahead and... Okay, somehow it immediately stopped. There's both red signals on the tracks. Pause the video for a minute and yeah. Oh wait! Actually no, because the train's gonna be coming. Metro's going. Oh man, I was gonna do that, but okay. I'm not gonna have a tantrum about that. Metro's gonna be going. I'm guessing it's gonna be going. Yep, it's going back on that track. I wonder if I was just over there. I see on the camera. Alright, so it's a button.
Hey, no, I'm doing it.
Kane. Hang on, let me try.
Nope.
Kane, I understand that I'm your...
There's a no button on that.
Sorry, my little brother won't let me push the button. That's sad. Alright, that's slowing down. Okay, so they should be having a green signal. And look, there's an Amtrak. Got an Amtrak 334, Coast Starlight coaches. Oh, okay, so as you see, the train right here. It might be coming. I think I can. Wait, if it's not gonna. So it definitely has to be coming through here.
Just like you. Yeah. They do it every night.
So I'm gonna pause the video. We're gonna go walk around. Okay, let me do it. I never get to do it.
No.
Keen.
No.
Sorry, my little brother yet again won't let me push the button.
You have an L stop?
Come on. Recording.
No.
Keen, you've been doing it all the time.
Nope.
Ow! Ow! Alright. The metro departs. And also, please do excuse the commotion. My little brother never lets me push the button every time we come here. He can be pretty rude sometimes, but that's my little brother, and trust me, I was being a little rude there, so I do apologize about the commotion, and I'm sorry about that, guys. So, yeah. Go around here. It's a nice car. Look at that. Empire State Express. I'm going to be going in that in a few minutes. Just want to take a look around at this. I wonder where that train is. And here's the Acela Express. It's going to be one of Amtrak's newest. Okay. Sorry, we are here with a couple of friends, so. What? Okay. And there's my crazy sister.
I told her that's the cringiest thing.
So that's pretty much it. We covered the entire train layout. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and have a great day. Bye.